Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be making custard semolina pudding, which is halwa. For that we'll need 1 cup of clarified butter, ghee, and then we'll add half a cup of almonds, sliced almonds, half a cup of cashew nut, half a cup of sultana. We'll mix everything together, we'll toast it. After that we'll remove the nuts from the ghee, and then we'll add our 2 cups of semolina to it. We'll try to cook the semolina in our ghee, clarified butter. Now we'll add 300 grams of butter, unsalted butter, 2 cups of sugar, and depending on how sweet you want. On a separate pot we'll heat our 1 liter of milk. Once the mixture is ready, we'll add our milk to our semolina mix. Once the mixture is ready, then we'll add 3 tablespoons of custard powder. We'll mix it with a little bit of milk first, and then add it to our semolina mix, followed by our toasted almond, cashew nut and sultana. So that's our custard semolina pudding, or halwa you can say. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers guys.